Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is one more new update that is still under a testing, that you can see that like icon has been replaced with a shopping icon. Here you can see below. Okay, so what about the like icon? So now this is moved to top right. Here you can see. So if you will click on this shopping icon, it will open in this way. So to check the notification, you have to click on this top one here, and here you can see the whatever the notification that you are receiving. And one more thing I want to show you. For example, if I will click on filter under this icon, and here you can select anything, what type of notification you want to check. For example, I want to check the likes from the people who are verified. Then I will click on verified and apply. Then you will see the list of notification from a verified account. So in this way you can add a filter whatever you want, comment, tags, or whatever you want. So I hope you will enjoy this new update. So thanks for watching this video.